the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point 30 meters away from its base is 60 degrees. This is a word problem question. Now, if you have a word problem question, the first thing you need to do, I posted it in one of my videos on TikTok, on YouTube. I said that when you read word problem question, immediately you read it, you make sure you understand it. And when you understand it, you digest it and you interpret the question. How will you do that? Now, let's start. When we are saying elevation in English, are you getting it? In different contexts, it can mean maybe when you promote somebody, when somebody raises his or her head up, or when somebody is lifted, when you are elated, and all that. But depression means maybe, God forbid, maybe somebody is suicidal, or you are not happy. Definitely you'll be depressed. You'll be feeling, or your heart broken. Yes, you'll be depressed. Now, this is it. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower. This is the tower. A tower is called a tall building. A tower is a tall building, a skyscraper, a very massive, tall building, a gigantic building. Are you getting it? That is the tower. They said the angle of elevation, meaning that when you are forming an angle of elevation, somebody is looking at a top building. Are you getting it? Maybe Kene is looking at the top of a building. Are you getting it? Kene is directly looking at the top of a building and is on the same ground floor with that building. Are you getting it? That means if this is Kene looking at the top of a building like this, looking at the top of a building, are you getting it? Now, he's forming an angle of elevation. The angle of elevation of Kene here, because he's looking at the top of a building, they say the angle of the elevation is what? Is 60 degrees. So this place is 60 degrees. And they said, well, look at this. They said the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from a point 30 meters away from its base, meaning that the distance of Kene from the base of the tower is what? 30 meters. So this is Kene to the base of this is the base, which is the foot of the tower, is 30 meters. Are you following? Now the question says, find the height of the tower, correct to what? 2 decimal places. This is the height of the tower, and it's forming a right angle triangle, right? So here, this is the opposite, this is the adjacent, this is the hypotenuse. So we are looking for what? We are looking for the opposite, right? Now, to get the opposite, and we have the adjacent, that is opposite over adjacent equals to what? SOHCAHTOA. Opposite over adjacent is what? SOHCAHTOA. This is S. S means sine. A means what? Opposite. H means what? Hypotenuse. C means what? Cosine. A means what? Adjacent. H means what? Hypotenuse. So when you want to get sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, right? Cosine is equal to what? Adjacent over hypotenuse, right? Then tangent is what? Opposite over adjacent. Now we are looking for opposite, but we have adjacent. Which one are we going to use? Tan. Very good. We are going to use tan. So tan is equals to opposite, which is H, over adjacent is what? 30 equals to tan what? Tan 60 degrees. Thank you. H over 30 equals to tan 60 degrees. Now, H over 30 is equals to tan 60. So if you cross multiply then we have H equals to 30 tan 60. The question says correct to 2 decimal places. We now have H is equals to 30 multiplied by what is tan 60? 1.732. Now calculator, multiply these together. 51.96. But the question says to 2 decimal places. What will it be? 96 what? Nothing is at the back. Okay, to 2 decimal places is still 51.96. That's the answer. 51.96 meters. Please always put the unit. The unit is extremely important. Thank you.